Hey everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel name. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to many of our hearts. Saving up to buy your dream car. Whether it's a sleek sports car like a Porsche 911 or a rugged off-roader like a Jeep Wrangler, owning your dream car is a goal worth working towards. In this video, I'll share some practical tips to help you reach that milestone faster than you might think. Let's get started. The first step is setting a clear goal. Decide on the make and model of your dream car. Research its current market price by checking websites like Kelley Blue Book or local dealerships. Knowing the exact amount you need to save will give you a concrete target to aim for. Next, create a detailed budget that includes your regular expenses, like rent, utilities, groceries, and savings goals. Be realistic about how much you can comfortably save each month without compromising your financial stability. To boost your savings, identify and cut back on non-essential expenses. Consider cooking at home more often instead of dining out, canceling unused subscription services, or opting for generic brands instead of premium ones. Small sacrifices now can add up to significant savings over time. Automating your savings is a powerful way to stay on track. Set up a separate savings account specifically for your car fund and arrange for a portion of your paycheck to be automatically deposited into this account each month. This way, you won't even miss the money you're setting aside. Consider ways to increase your income outside of your main job. This could include freelancing in your spare time, selling unused items online through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace, or picking up a side hustle such as dog walking or tutoring. Every extra dollar you earn can accelerate your savings progress. Keep track of your savings progress regularly. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or even a simple notebook to monitor how much you've saved each month and how close you are to reaching your goal. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated and remind yourself of the progress you're making. Lastly, familiarize yourself with different financing options available for purchasing a car. Research traditional auto loans from banks or credit unions. Explore dealership financing offers, and consider whether leasing might be a viable option for you. Understanding these options will help you make an informed decision when the time comes to purchase your dream car. And there you have it. By setting clear goals, creating a detailed budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, automating your savings, earning extra income, tracking your progress, and researching financing options, you'll be well on your way to owning your dream car sooner than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and achieving your goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.